again, guys. This is the bar from the McCulloch, and we're going to clean it up a little and file the burr on the edge because it's got one. I'm not going to go all out on this. I'm just going to tidy it up. I figure the battle scars are a mark of honor. And same thing with the paint job on the saw. Not going to redo it for the simple fact that it's an old saw. It ought to look beat up. As long as it runs good, who cares, right? All right. Alright, so probably don't need that in a minute here. Now, I'm going to sharpen the chain on the saw. I have one of those little Harbor Freight chainsaw sharpeners. I'm not real impressed with it. I've had better luck with the Dremel and the Saw Guide, which I do also have, so. Well, that's a lot easier than a 42-inch bar. Oh, you know what? That's gotta come back off. Because I gotta have these little plates on there. Clean them up real quick. Get some oil. Did I just put the chain on backwards? I sure the hell did. There you go, guys. Not paying attention. Put chain on backwards. I haven't done that in years. I mean, without catching it anyway. Now let me get some oil on there. Okay. So when I went out, this was sitting in the back of my truck. When I went out and got it, it's raining again. So I'm gonna get it sharpened. And then I'm going to have to wait until the rain stops before I take this out there and take the camera out there. I'd go do it in the rain. I have no problem with that. The problem is taking my camera out into the rain. It doesn't like that. It's not a GoPro, so it's not in a little container. So I'm going to get it sharpened, and then this video will pause until the rain is stopped. So let's get it sharpened up though. And I'm going to give you a little different angle, like so. And then I'll show you this little contraption. I don't know if any of you have seen the Dremel tool adapter for sharpening saws, and that's not going to autofocus. Hold on. There we go. So the Dremel tool has the little 30-degree lines on it, and then you put in whatever size of bit you need or grinder stone you need for the size of chain you're grinding. And this is the one that's needed for this. So we're going to put that onto there and get her going. There we are. We got it. All right. So as soon as the rain stops, we'll go cut something. Yeah. Story of my life, I tell you. Damn rain. Hey, the rain has stopped. Finally. So let's see what we got here. Yeah. Switch that on. Give it a choke. that sounds pretty good. Think I'm gonna have to try and cut a log. So Vita and Joey came out to see how this thing works. I don't know if I'm gonna get it to work. We're gonna give it a shot. It's already warmed up. I think so. You know what this thing reminds me of? Is that saw from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the original one, right? Yeah, he had this much trouble too. See, they're still alive. We were just kidding.